Welcome to another edition of Tuesday Tent Talks. My name is Heather Frank and I'm one of the sales reps here at Fred's Tents. I'm really excited to show off one of our new products here today. We're talking about our Tent Jack 2.1. Yes, it is finally here. I know you guys have been waiting for a new product from us in terms of the Tent Jack, and it's here and we're offering it this year. We're really excited about it. One of the things at Fred's is we really like to take feedback from tent rental guys, the people in the field, to make the products that are going to work best for you. And we feel like we've kind of mixed what you've said about what you need in a tent jack, and actually we have a couple guys who work for us that also owned tent companies. And between what they said and what you guys said, I think we have a winner here. So we're really excited for you to check out our new Tent Jack 2.1. Enjoy this little video.
Fred's Tent's Frame Tent Jack 2.1 is new and improved, and we have short lead times too. The Frame Tent Jack 2.1 will increase your daily efficiencies, help reduce labor costs, and provide a safe and easy way of lifting and lowering frame tents. The Frame Tent Jack 2.1 has 3 points of contact on the base to allow it to be very stable. This allows you to be hands-free to install the tent legs up to 10 feet. And if you feel that you need additional support, you're able to insert stakes to the back of the unit or even put stakes in the front for even more stability. The base is also very portable with no flat tires, making it easy to move from the warehouse to the truck to the tent site. With a detachable mast, it makes it easy for storing and transport. When you attach the heavy-duty webbing to your frame, you can do it with ease. The webbing is attached to a 1,500-pound winch with twice the gear ratio, allowing for easy lifting, and with an auto brake that holds the load in position when the handle is released. The mount for the winch is also adjustable for 3 different heights, making it comfortable for all. The Frame Tent Jack 2.1 will be one of your staff's favorite items to take to every tent job. We're confident that it'll also be the backbone of your tent rental business. Not only will it help your business efficiencies and safety, but it looks great too. With the powder-coated base and the anodized aluminum, it's built to last. Talk to your Fred's Tents reps today.
Great, so I hope you learned a lot about it, and thanks for joining us for another Tuesday Tent Talk. If you have any suggestions or ideas for us for the next Tuesday Tent Talk, send us an email at ttt@wemaketents.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.